Hello everyone, I'm Rabha, a teaching artist with 826 Chicago, and today we're going to learn how to make accordion books and write a poem. We're going to make a simple accordion book that will look like this. We'll have about 3 pages. It's very easy and simple to make. All you need is an A4 size paper and scissors. So take your paper and fold it vertically as such. And fold the paper and fold it once more down the middle. Then grab one flap, fold it up against the long edge, the middle fold, just like this, and fold the other side. This. Unfold the paper so that you're making a little W with the paper or an M depending on how you're holding it. Grab your scissors and cut down the middle line. As such. Now push the two sides together, redo the folds, and now you have a little book. You can fold the cover in. Here's your accordion book. Now to write the poem. So for today, I would like you to write a poem where each line starts with I remember. Think back to the exercise we did in my previous video where we did a grounding exercise where I asked you to notice your surroundings using your 5 senses. So keeping that in mind, write a poem where each line starts like this. I remember the smell off. I remember the sound off. I remember the feeling when. I remember the way I remember the color off. Here are some examples by 10th graders from Northtown Academy. I remember being with my best friend downtown in a hotel. I remember when my first true love said I'd be his last. I remember the 21st night of September. I remember having a real smile. I remember the smell of pizza when it comes out of the oven. I remember being 5'5". I remember when I fell twice and got 2 stitches. I remember when I finally said I love you to my first true love. I remember when I got my first puppy. I remember the sound of the bell above me. I remember the smell of my mom's cooked food.